fuck is going on? Why are we going back up? Say, man, why are we going back up? They need to get somebody to explain this shit. What the fuck is going on?
It's too windy, buddy.
Good afternoon, everyone.
Explain something. Man, please, why are we going back up? Y'all can't just take a motherfucker down and take a motherfucker back up.
For another visual approach. Thanks again for your patience. We appreciate it.
No, man, y'all can't do this.
We'll be landing in about
What y'all said that 30 minutes ago. I'm scared now.
You know what?
I ain't never seen a plane go down, ma'am, and go back up.
I've seen it many times.
I ain't you fly, I don't.
Okay. Sir, just take a deep breath and we'll be landing shortly.
Get me off this motherfucker.